Hey y'all, it's Sky, and today we're going to be showing you a glitch on the Greely's Inferno adventure. So, using this glitch, you'll be able to repeatedly click the same thing to gain levels. So this is the area where the puzzle is that we found the glitch on. I'm just gonna go ahead and try to get rid of all of these phantoms before they come up here and do it. I'm gonna ask them. Oh, I'm big dumb. It didn't work. Working. We'll try the other one. There we go. Okay. So what I'll do is once we get it all into place, I'll take a picture of the bottom ones, and I'll also take a picture of the top ones so that we can I can put that on there for you guys. Okay, so for the first part, you're going to want to set up the mirrors like this. This is the bottom set of mirrors. So yeah, I'll just leave that there for a few seconds so you can screenshot that or just pause the video and set them up like so. Alright, and for the top part of the mirrors, you're going to want to set them up like this. And I'll show you the clip of the actual glitch as soon as we're done with this part. I'm going to leave this here for a second so you can either pause the video and set it up or take a screenshot. So yeah, just set up the top bit of the mirrors like so. So if you look down here, because of the way we've set up the mirrors, if you just repeatedly click this, my adventure level just keeps going up. Every time you move it. So you just click this repeatedly over and over again. And every time it shines on there, on those crystals, your adventure level will increase. As you can see, it's probably going to take me about a minute to level up from here. And now you can see I am at level 9. Just from clicking this over and over again. It's really easy. And if you really wanted to, you could set up an auto clicker for it to just do this for you for however long you want it to. But yeah, that is pretty much the conclusion of this this video, just showing y'all this glitch, and hopefully y'all can use it if you like to, and hopefully it doesn't get patched. But yeah, thanks for watching.